Are you lost on where to even begin with options trading? Would it be beneficial to know exactly where these billion-dollar companies are putting their money as they're doing it? Join us. We've got a way to help you out and make this easier. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on multiple sources, find what's easiest for you, join me, and let's go make those profits. What the flow? That's right, guys. I'm wearing green today because if you follow these alerts, your account will look just like that, straight green, baby. I am out here social distancing. Look, there's no one around me. Why is that? Because they're all at the bank counting their money because they follow these alerts. I've got one word for you guys: triple digit gainers. All right, maybe that was more than one word, but if you want to get these massive gains like everyone else following these alerts, you can't stand against the wall. Put on your dancing shoes, let's boogie. This is Unusual Options Activity for Monday, May 11th, 2020. Let's go dance. All right, let's take a look at these alerts. We've got Apple, Align, PayPal. This one is BS. What? That's right, I'm gonna show you why. AMD and Spot. We've got 115% gain, 100% gain. Top two alerts, triple digits. Again, we're going to ignore this one. 68%, 44% max gain on those top 5 alerts of the day. You can see the other ones performed somewhat okay. 15, 14, 12%, 9%, nothing stellar there. These top 5 we're going to go over today. Let's take a look at what we've got here. Let's start with the top alert. Boom, Apple. Look at all of this flow. This is what came in today for Apple. 515, 320s, 6:52 in the morning. I am on the West Coast, so that is 9:52 East Coast time. They started coming in. 7:16, 7:24, 8:23, 8:27, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, right up until the closing bell, the entire day. What do you notice about the spread? These are ask and above ask. So over here, let's see, it starts at $1. It hit 89 cents, $1.04. Look at this, 219, and it's on the ask side, which means they are not closing this out. Even though they doubled the position, they're adding to the position. Let's take a look at the chart. Let's pull up some Apple. This green line, that is where the alert came out. It just climbed all day afterwards. So let's say that alert came out and you said, well, it's been on such a run, I'm not going to buy it here. All right, well, let's do something like this. Let me put a line. Let's go ahead and it's not working for me there. Boom, let's put that one and line, okay? It's up here, you're chasing it. You have a resistance here, it pulled back, it didn't quite hit that level and it started climbing again. You've got a way to get in. If you didn't like that entry, bye-bye, you missed your chance. If you're looking for an Unusual Options Activity scanner just like the one that alerted these, hit that link below. I've got a special offer for you, 20 bucks off your first month. Give it a try. Join us for these monster gains. We even teach you how to use the system, and we have a bunch of other education to help you out. Click that link and let's get started, baby. Woo! Moving on, next, what do we have here? Align. This one came in. This was an opening transaction for $51,000. This is a weekly 215 call. You know what we're going to do. We got to check that chart. Let's move over to Align. This green line here, that's where the alert came out. So we had some choppy action in here. So maybe you didn't want to buy the alert there. All right, well, let's get rid of that and go to the right tool. Boom. Screwing up everything left and right because I'm too excited about these gains. We have some support up in here. We dipped, we climbed, we dipped below. Let's say you waited until it came back above here. Boom, look at that. The whole rest of the day from that point, it climbed. Of course, we had a little pullback towards the end of the day, but those are still green for you guys. What's up next? PayPal. Why did I say this one was BS? Well, we've got 515, 150 calls. You know what we're doing. We're checking the chart. And What do we have here? This is the line where the alert came out. So why was this one BS? Well, you can see it did make some gains over here. This is the chart for that specific contract. Look at this. That's where it made a $1.18 transaction. That is not realistic that you got 118 for that. So you probably got somewhere up in here 69, or maybe you didn't sell it yet and it started creeping down. This 118 is not a realistic price for that contract, so I'm calling BS on that one. What's next? AMD. Look at all this action for AMD. That's right, we started at 81 cents, 82, 88, 93, 1, 111, 121. How high are we going to go? 137. 142, do I hear 150? There's 150, 158, 160, 165, 170 all day long. That's the end of the day. They are still buying. This is ask side. You know it. Let's hit that chart. We don't trade without checking out the chart. This line here is where that alert came out, and you could have just hung out all day, inching your way up. That was AMD, and one more, we've got SPOT. This was a 155 put for this week. We had two of them coming in there. It's a little over $110,000. Let's see what the chart looks like. Boom. This line right here, that's where the alert came out. We had some consolidation after a good run. Guess what? It would have turned against you. But if we go back and do our favorite thing to do ever, technical analysis. Let's put a line right there where it consolidates. Let's say you got in here at the break of the line. You are still making profit. That is unusual options activity for today. Happy trading.